Married Life from the film Up. We have two versions of this piece on our channel. This is like the beginning of the scene. If you remember in the scene, they're both in love in the beginning, right? They're in love and youthful and full of energy, looking forward towards the future. It's real sweet. And then later on, things get a bit sour, so the music reflects that. This is when they're happy, this piece, and then you can have a look at the tragic version of this piece, which is when things are not so happy. And kind of ironically, the tragic version is a lot easier to play. So if this is too difficult, then check out the other one and do that. Okay, so here it is. I'll play a little bit for you, and then I'll show you what to do. So it's quite uppity and fairly difficult to play because some of these chords are there's some intricacies, technical intricacies that I'll go over, and I'll give you alternatives so that if it's too difficult, you can simplify it for yourself. We'll start with the left, with an F, and then we'll do the right hand later. The reason for this is the left hand is all quarters. It's very regular and straightforward to do rhythmically, right? It's just bum, plup, plup, boom, plup, plup. So it's just a matter of learning the notes. Here are the notes. We start with an F, and then two of these, 2 and 1. Next bar, we have 4, 2 of these. We're just doing the notes here. And it should be noted that this piece is in 3/4 time, so it has that waltz-like quality. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, so on and so forth. Next bar, we have 5 on D. Top 2 are the same. Next bar is C. Top 2 are the same only once, followed by 4 and 1. So I'm showing you all that again. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Those are the first 4 bars. Now the right hand. With a pickup, that's what these first 3 notes are. They kind of introduce the first bar. This is actually where the bar starts, and these 3 notes introduce that first bar. So, rhythm later. First we do the notes. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A little hard to do if you don't have a real, a well-practiced 4th finger, but do what you can with it. Moving on, we have something even more tricky. We have, so that's 3, 5, switch to 4, 3 and 1. If this is too hard to do quickly, and I know it will be for some people, I'd recommend just omitting, not playing this F, and just playing, to keep it simple. 3, 5, 3, 2. But those of you who can manage it, feel free. 3, 5, 4, 3 and 1. Moving on, we have 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So make sure you have the notes and the fingerings down for this, whatever you've decided. And this is what it's like when you count it. So as I said, the first 2 notes are pickups. So what I'll do is I'll count them as though it's sort of halfway through the bar. That's kind of how pickups work. So it'll be and 3 and 1, and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. And that's basically it. Now when you put it together, the left hand is basically keeping track of where the numbers are, right? So we can kind of replace the numbers that are said. So 1, 2, 3, Right? So wherever I had the numbers, now you put the left hand in. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. And then we move into the next section. We'll do that in the next series of tutorials on our website. You'll have access to the sheet music as well as the rest of the tutorial. All right, thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you on the other side. I finish it off there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what's going on, and see you in the next ones.